Before we begin, please ensure that you have at least version 1.17 of the CLI installed on your computer, as well as an Azion token to authenticate your user for executing commands in the CLI. If you have any questions, refer to our online documentation. Let's walk through the CLI commands for CRUD Edge Storage with buckets and start by exploring buckets with. Type in the terminal, Azion Create Edge Storage Age, to unveil the array of options available for this operation. Now, let's initiate the creation of a bucket using the interactive mode with Azion Create Edge Storage Bucket. Insert the name for the new bucket and choose the bucket permission and done. You just created a new bucket. For updates, utilize the update command, Azion Update Edge Storage Bucket. Insert the name of your bucket and change the permission. If you need to list your buckets, simply employ Azion List Edge Storage Bucket to streamline your view. And for the removal of a bucket, execute Azion Delete Edge Storage Bucket. And just insert the name of the bucket you want to delete. As we can see, using the list command, our bucket tutorial 01 is no longer available. For the next examples, I'll recreate this bucket. Moving on to objects. First, we will create an object within our bucket. Execute Azion Create Edge Storage Object, specifying the bucket name and assigning a distinct name to your new object. I will designate a local file as the source. To confirm the object's presence in the bucket, utilize the command Azion Describe Edge Storage Object Bucket Name Object Key Index, and it will display the contents object. When updates are necessary, employ Azion Update Edge Storage Object. Insert the name of the bucket, the object, and the source. As we can see, using the Describe command, the new object is in the bucket. For deletion use, Azion Delete Edge Storage Object. Insert the name of the bucket and then the name of the object. If you need to list objects within a bucket, you guessed it, Azion List Edge Storage Object, and insert the name of your bucket. As we can see, the bucket is empty now. In the next steps, we will create an Edge application with Edge Storage using the CLI. First, we'll initialize a project and use a template. We'll choose test0 for application name. These template files will be stored in the bucket of the Edge application. Let's choose the Astro framework for our project, but you can choose any framework you prefer. Next, we'll install the dependencies, and the CLI will handle the application setup. In this example, we'll opt for local deployment. Then we'll kick off the build process with Vulcan, creating an Edge application named test0, a bucket, and a domain for this application. For questions, check our online documentation for detailed product info and starting steps. Thanks for watching.